from it. The compass we somehow conveniently forget. Let the tides and winds take us on our way, navigating coastlines of new waters every day. We spent the day sailing on the ocean. We spent the night gazing at the skies, taking turns pointing out the constellations, till we see the sun rising in our eyes, rising in our eyes. Bound to come across our share of danger. There'll be storms to weather along the way. We'll grow stronger with each new adventure. Exhilaration reminds us we're alive. We spent the day sailing on the ocean. We spent the night gazing at the skies, taking turns pointing out the constellations, until we see the sun rising in our eyes. Rising in our Eventually, we'll have to go ashore. We'll make the most of it, 'cause that's what life is for.
It was such an effort you guys did. First ditching the sail, now bringing up the sail under the most difficult circumstances.
Though our hearts are always out there on the sea, underneath the sails, just you and me. We spend our days sailing on the ocean. We spend our nights gazing at the skies, taking turns pointing up the constellations, till we see the sun rising in our eyes. We spend the days sailing on the ocean, and we'll spend the night gazing at the skies, taking turns pointing out the constellations,